Hey guys, so today we're going to teach you guys how to program a remote to a BFT motor. There's two types, they look the same on the outside and the board is different. So you just there's two screws at the front, I've already taken those off. But you just have to remove the screws there. Then you'll see this see-through cover. Now the other model of this has like a little screen here that looks like a calculator screen. So that's a different process. So just make sure your board looks exactly the same as this. You just kind of pull that one off as well. And the way to know the board is you've got three buttons on the side here, okay? So we'll just basically, we're doing an aftermarket remote today, but the programming procedure with the genuine or any other aftermarket that looks different to this is exactly the same. It's really simple. So all you do is you locate the S1 button, which is right at the top there. Just press it once and a light will just light on just here and it'll be blinking. Then what you want to do is press and hold buttons 3 and 4 on the remote until the light stops blinking, and then just stop. Then press the button on the remote that you want to program to the gate, and then the light will just start blinking again. Now just wait until the light goes out completely, and as soon as it goes out, the remote's all programmed and ready to go. So it takes about 15 seconds, I believe, and that's all done. And then you just press the button on the remote, and away it goes. Thanks, guys.